Hey gamers, today I'm going to show you how to get a custom, transparent Steam profile in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest ways to make your profile stand out and give it a unique look that really pops in the Steam community. Let's dive right in. First, open your Steam application. If you're not logged in yet, click on the Login button and enter your account name and password. Make sure everything is typed correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. Next, head to the top of the screen and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile, then click Edit Profile. This is where all the customization magic begins. To get a transparent profile, you need to visit the Steam Points shop. You can find it right in the Edit Profile section. Once inside, explore the Game Profiles section and look for the Dying Light 2. Stay Human Profile. This one is famous for its sleek, transparent design that adds personality and style to your profile. Keep in mind, these custom profiles aren't free. They cost 10,000 Steam points. If you already have enough points, you can purchase it right away. If not, you can earn points by buying games, DLCS, or other items on Steam. After purchasing, simply follow the prompts to apply the profile. And just like that, your Steam profile is transformed. It's now unique, visually striking, and will definitely turn heads when friends or fellow gamers visit your page. Customizing your Steam profile not only makes it look amazing, but also reflects a bit of your personality. It's a small tweak that can have a big impact on your online presence in the gaming world. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to leave a comment with your questions or share your new profile setup. Happy gaming, and enjoy showing off your custom transparent Steam profile.